The traditional economy is built on a specific trade. You surrender an hour of your life in exchange for a fraction of a fixed salary. It is a system designed to extract your time and attention until the moment you stop working. In the digital economy, leverage is the primary currency. It allows a single individual to use software and systems to multiply their output without increasing their hours. Look at the three foundational shifts identified in the AI Creator Blueprint. Wealth creation has moved from the difficulty of production to the scarcity of attention, from local geographic constraints to global access, and from the compensation of labor to the creation of assets. We are going to apply those shifts right now. Over the next few minutes, we will use free AI tools to build a fully optimized digital storefront and a sellable product in under 2 hours. Financial freedom scales through the systematic replacement of active labor with digital assets that operate independently of your daily schedule. Take Danielle Rivera. After 14 years as a teacher, she used ChatGPT to help package her classroom management knowledge into a 32-page PDF. Today, she generates $8,200 a month selling that guide to other teachers. She achieved this using a 3-tool stack: ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, and StanStore for delivery. None of these required a technical background to operate. This chart tracks a similar transition for Keisha Williams. The flat line is her retail income. The compounding curve is her digital template business scaling up to $4,700 a month within 90 days, without a dollar spent on paid advertising. The success of these creators didn't come from a massive following. They simply took the mundane skills they already possessed and packaged them into accessible digital formats. Separating your income from your physical presence changes the math of how wealth accumulates over time. Most new creators fail because they spend weeks guessing what people want to buy, only to launch a product that no one asked for. To avoid this, use AI to identify the specific problems people are already searching for and complaining about in your niche. Input this exact prompt into your AI of choice. What are the most discussed topics, top trending questions, and primary complaints in the insert niche space right now? Look through the output for the recurring themes. Your goal is to select the single most urgent, actionable pain point that you have the knowledge to solve. A validated problem provides a reliable foundation for a product because you are building for a documented need rather than guessing what might work. Once you have the problem, prompt ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive 15-page outline that solves it step by step. The next hurdle is perfectionism. Many creators lose weeks trying to learn graphic design from scratch. Bypass that design bottleneck entirely by opening Canva and searching for an ebook template or PDF guide. Copy your AI-generated text into the template. But remember, edit the output. Add your own stories and examples to ensure the product reflects your actual expertise. After editing, export the document as a PDF. You now have a professional-grade asset ready for your customers. This is your minimum viable product. When launching your first asset, the speed of delivery and the actual utility of the solution are more important than a perfect aesthetic. Now you need a place to sell it. StanStore is a streamlined hub that handles your product hosting, payment processing, and your social media link in bio in one platform. Your profile architecture is the first step in conversion. Look at Element 1, Profile Optimization. Your bio must be a single sentence that defines exactly who you help and what outcome you provide. Next, upload your product and look at Element 3, Product Sequencing. Position your PDF at an entry-level price point between $17 and $27 to lower the barrier for your first buyers. For the product description, follow the formula in Element 5. You need a pain point hook to get attention, a specific promise of the transformation, and social proof to build trust. Following this specific storefront architecture removes the friction that usually stops a visitor from clicking the buy button. With your store live and optimized, your primary task is now driving traffic. Start by placing your store link in the bio of every social media profile you own. Use short-form videos to answer common questions related to your niche. Every video provides a reason for a viewer to click the link in your bio. You now have an infrastructure capable of processing a transaction in Singapore at 3 a.m. while you are offline. The tools are available and the evidence of success is documented. Open an AI prompt and begin building your first digital asset today.